Hello, it's Super Easy Math. In this video, we will talk about basic antiderivative rules, so let's start. The first one is integral of k dx equal kx plus c, where k is a constant and x is a variable, so just put x to the constant. For example, integral of 0 dx, so we will just put x to the constant, so it's 0x and plus c, so it's c. The same for integral of 5 dx, so we will put x to the constant, it will be 5x plus c. Here the variable is y, so it's pi y plus c, and the last one equal m, and the variable is s, so ms plus c. The second rule, when we have the form x to power n, so its integral is x to power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. So we just add 1 to the power and we divide by the new power. Examples, integral for x squared dx, so just add 1 to the power, so 2 plus 1, and divide by the new power plus c, so it's x cubed by 3 plus c. We can check our answer by deriving this one, so we should get x squared. So derivative of x cubed is 3x squared divided by 3. Derivative of c is 0 because it's a constant, so it's x squared. That's right. Another one, integral for x cubed plus 5, so just add 1 to the power and divide by the new power plus 5x because 5 is a constant plus c, so it's x to power 4 divided by 4 plus 5x plus c. We can also derive this one, we should get x cubed plus 5, so here we have 4x cubed divided by 4, it's x cubed, and derivative of 5x is 5, so it's true. The third one is square root of x. Here it's not of the form x to power n, but we know that square root of x is the same as x to power half dx. Now we get this form, we can apply the rule, so it's x to power half plus 1 divided by 1 over 2 plus 1. One over 2 plus 1 is equal to 3 over 2, so it's x to power 3 over 2 divided by 3 over 2, so it's 2 over 3 and x 3 over 2. X 3 over 2 is the same as x radical x, so it's 2 over 3 x radical x. 3 over x to power 4 dx, so we have to rewrite it in the form x to power n. We can just move x to power 4 to numerator and it will become x to power minus 4 dx. Now just add 1 to the power and divide by the new power plus c, so it's 3x minus 3 over minus 3 plus c, so it's minus x minus 3 plus c, or minus 1 over x cubed plus c, and the last one 1 over x square root of x, so we have to rewrite it in the form of x to power n. We know that x square root of x is the same as x multiplied by x to power half, so here we have same power or same base, just add the power, so x to power 1 plus 1 over 2 which is 3 over 2. Now we have here integral for 1 over x to power 3 over 2 dx. We can move this one to the numerator, it will become minus 3 over 2. So x minus 3 divided by 2 dx. Now we have our form x to power n, so we will just add 1 to the power. So minus 3 over 2 plus 1 equal to minus 1 over 2 divided by minus 1 over 2 plus c. This one will become minus 2, and x to power minus half plus c. So it is minus 2 divided by x to power half plus c. So minus 2 over square root of x plus c. Hope it's clear. Goodbye.